Welcome to My Knowledge Management.
Assalamualaikum and greeting to all. With me Muhammad Firdaus. The objective of this video is to promote the MyKM portal, My Knowledge Management University Technology Mara UiTM, as an online knowledge store center. Most of us, ladies and gentlemen, still do not know the real function of MyKM and how to use it. Do not miss the opportunity to watch this video. Muhammad Firdaus report for the Malaysian community.
As we know that MyKM portal can only be accessed by UiTM communities, our target audience focus on UiTM students and also staff. By using all reference materials provided in MyKM portal, it will help them in completing their research. They can access online database, ebook, open access.
Do you know about MyKM? Okay, I will tell you about it. MyKM, known as My Knowledge Management, it was developed by the UiTM library. In this website, they collect, managing, and spreading knowledge, information based on the reference materials produced by the authors and researchers in UiTM as well as the whole world. They collect and managing knowledge through the provision of reference materials in various fields which are produced and published, either from inside or outside the university. Secondly, they promote the element of knowledge transfer and knowledge sharing to improve the intellectualism among the university community. Not only that, they empowering MyKM as a leading reference and reading in gaining knowledge based on research expertise and best practices. It will be a great loss if you didn't take this chance to go on this website because there are a lot of benefits in here as well as the promotion. There are various types of resources in this MyKM portal. If you want to know more, stay tuned. Now I'm going to tell you about the information resources that is in this website. The information resources in MyKM consist of 6, which includes new arrival, recommended reading, ebooks, institutional repositories, general reading, as well as exam paper. Come, let's follow me and I will show you the interface of the MyKM. As you can see here, this is the information resources that is in the MyKM website. So you can see that it is arranged very well according to each of the subject and their own time resources. So it is very convenient for them to find their information here.
First of all, you need to search for mykm.uitm.edu.my and then click login. Here, you need to enter your student or staff ID, IC number and then click submit. Once you have logged in, your name will appear here. So, this is the interface of My Knowledge Management. This is information resources where you can find database, article, exam paper, and others. Today, I would like to share on how to use or find article using open access discovery. First, click here. Here, you can see there are few open access discovery content by faculty. There are 27 faculty in total. You can choose your faculty. There are 185,633 total collection that you can choose and all have been in subgroup. You can search your article journal by using title, series, subject, ISBN or ISSN number, or tag. You also can choose directly from here. For example, I choose Information Management. So, this is the suggested topics within your search. You can click which one that fit your preference. For example, I click this one. So, here it is. In this, you can have main authors, format, language, publish, subject, and also description and similar items. You also can access online this article by clicking this, and tada! You are here. So you can use this article for your review or summary.
When you open MyKM portal, click Knowledge Sharing button to see what the function offered. This is the interface knowledge sharing. It's so informative and attractive, right? Another function offered by KM Portal is knowledge sharing, where UiTM community will know about the activity held. For example, if you want to know this activity, just click here and it opens directly. Otherwise, you can go through one by one from this category provided. It's easy to us to find out. As you can see, there are more than 200 categories provided in this portal. So please open My Knowledge Management UiTM portal now to see all these functions.
Learn. Do you know how to use the online database in the MyKM portal? Can you please show me a tutorial on how to use it?
Sure, Farha. I will teach you step by step. So first, go to Google browser and search MyKM website. And then sign in with your student ID. After you're done sign in, click Information Resources. Here you can find any types of resources. Each of these leads you to another link which is convenient for you to find information regarding your research based on your resources type. If you click My Courseware, the list of your subject course will appear on the screen. Students may find out more recommended books regarding their core subject and electives. It is easy, right? On the left side, you can see list of options for you if you are interested to look forward. My profile links with Peter. It will show your account of your loan books as well as the fee if you have lent fee due. The history with library, which consists list of the books that already loaned. It is handy for you to track your history with MyKM. I hope this answers your question, Farha.
So, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Together with us today, Miss Sarah. So, before we proceed, can we have Miss Sarah to introduce herself a little bit more?
Okay. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Tino Sarah, a student from UiTM Kedah from Faculty Human Resource Management.
So, Miss Sarah, since you are from UiTM, have you ever been using My Knowledge Management for your reference material?
Yes, I currently use My Knowledge Management as my additional reference for me to find any topics regarding to my assignments.
So, that's good. Can you please share with us your experience while using My Knowledge Management?
Okay, I often use this platform to search ebook because my assignment mostly use ebook. Okay, so I think that this platform is more easy for me to find any reference materials because they already divide their reference materials according to the faculty. Yes. So I just click on any related faculty and find my reference materials that I want.
There's so many reference material there according to the faculty, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for sharing your experience with us, Miss Sarah. I hope that this My Knowledge Management will help you to gain more knowledge in the future.
Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, together with us today, Ms. Farhan. Okay, before we proceed, can we have Ms. Farhan to introduce herself?
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Farhan binti Fairuz and I'm studying at UiTM Alam and I'm a Bachelor of Multimedia Creative.
Okay, that's good. Since you are from UiTM, have you ever been using My Knowledge Management?
Sounds familiar with me.
Okay, in that case, what kind of resources that you have been using to get your reference material?
I only use Google Scholars and easy access to do my research.
Okay, it seems like you are unfamiliar with this My Knowledge Management, right?
Yeah.
So how about I tell you more about My Knowledge Management? Maybe it can help you to understand more.
Sure, it sounds good. So it can make me more understand about my knowledge management.
Okay, basically this My Knowledge Management has been developed by UiTM to spread the reference material which produced by the author from the worldwide and also the researcher from the UiTM itself. Okay, what will the user gain by using this My Knowledge Management? User can be easily retrieve the reference material and inside and out from the library. For example, if you enter the My Knowledge Management and go for your faculty, you can receive the reference material from the online database.
Oh,
So maybe this can be some additional platform for you to do your research and get additional reference material.
wow! I didn't know about this before. Thank you for introducing me with this information. Now I will use this My Knowledge Management as my additional for my reference.
Okay, I hope that this kind of information will help you to get reference for future reference.
It's time to go for exercise. But I also need to read physical book. What should I do? Aha! Since I don't think that I have enough time to read the physical book, why don't I listen to audiobooks? Maybe it is interesting, isn't it?
These lectures are part of the Great Courses series. They are produced by the Teaching Company. The Great Courses cover a broad array of university-level disciplines. The lectures in each course are either 30 or 45 minutes long. By listening for less than an hour a day, you can finish even the longest course in just weeks. Browse our catalog or website and imagine how much you could learn if you spent just 30 minutes a day for the next year.
Wow, I never knew that this audiobook will help me this much. From now on, I believe that if there is a will, there is a way. Even though I am busy with my packed schedule almost every day, I still can gain new knowledge and learn something new daily. So everyone, if you guys don't have time to read physically because it might consume more time, do not worry as we still have another option to gain knowledge, which is audiobook. While doing exercise, we still can get enough knowledge. Fantastic, right? In other way, for those young learners who have difficulty reading, listening to audiobooks can make learning a much easier process. It also makes it inclusive and fun. As we are all aware, listening the first language skill that we acquire and 85% of what we learn by listening. Thus, here it can help to improve listening skills at once, enhance the literacy of young readers.
So, what are you waiting for? Let's use the MyKM portal and do not forget to share with people since it brings benefits to others as well. Here are some features of my group members using MyKM portal.
Hopefully, with this sharing video, will give some beneficial information to all communities. Thank you for watching. Bye!